Good morning, good afternoon, whatever time you guys are watching this. Uh, we're up 4.2K on the day. I'm going to explain to you guys how we took the trade, why we took the trade, and yeah. So in the Discord, I sent out. I did take shorts yesterday. I took shorts at this area where we had a bunch of imbalances around 7 to 9, and I had my stops at this high. Price just ended up running above it, so I was pretty much short because the higher time frame was aligning for shorts, right? But the thing is about overnight session was every buying attempt that we had was being bought up immediately. So, um, so everything was just lining up to be shorts, and I did like it. In my journal that I was before I entered the trade, I was saying that everything is aligning with shorts. So, as you guys can see on the higher time frame, on the 30-minute monthly profile, we're at a valley area high. And yes, we're balanced. So we're balanced. We're somewhat balanced, but we keep like slow grinding upwards. So obviously, I'm gonna be looking to exit very quick. I'm not gonna be looking to hold for big moves. Um, so as you guys can see, we're at a valid area high on the higher time frame. This is an area where we reject off of multiple times. Um, Right, so as you can see, we entered once, sold off, twice, sold off, three times, sold off, four times, sold off. A little bit of a sell off here, and then, same things like here, but except that the conditions now, compared to this, are way different, right? So, conditions are always important. You have to keep conditions in mind, and yeah. So, higher time frame, we're the value area high, like I told you guys before, and I literally told you guys last. Oh, I didn't record it. Well, I don't know if I did. I recorded like 3 videos that day where I fucked up the mic. But I told you guys on this day that there was an edge here that I liked, so I marked this one out. There was also one here that I liked, and then there was like one right here. And yeah, I liked these edges. So these are the three areas where I was looking to get in at. So it was right here, and right here, right? And as you can see, we tapped into the one at the high. And as we tapped into it, we saw an immediate reaction. And on the delta, what do we see? We see that the delta is moving upwards, but we've been staying in the same area for the last couple hours, right? So we're moving up with the delta, but there's nothing significant happening for us to keep moving upwards, and we're just staying stagnant. So in my head, I was like, all right, obviously the sellers are in control at the valley area high of the current session right now, and they're in control. You can tell because every time we kept pushing up, we were slowing down, except for our market open, where we just traded up into this area of this edge of volume, and then we sold off. So once that happened, once I saw that we had the reaction, took my entry, and I was looking to exit the trade at the valley area low, and then I saw that we ended up slowing down at the volume, the at fair value from the previous day, which was on Friday. So I ended up closing the trade, and yeah, it was pretty clean day, pretty easy day. But if you guys go and check on the Discord, sent you guys out. Um, Good morning. Currently, I'm not clearing a bias. I'm more towards longs, but shorts can play out. Longs did play out, as you can see on market open. On the delta, price keeps rising. Price keeps struggling to break above. That's also something to keep account. There's a big seller at the highs of NQ right now, but every selling attempt gets bought up right away. So if I'm going to be long, it's going to be off an area where defense is being played. Same thing as yesterday, right? Same thing as yesterday, except that we got stopped out, which is perfectly fine, right? I was just too early on the move, and um, yeah, I was just too early on the move, which is fine. But I still stuck to what I thought was correct, what aligned with my higher time frame. I still stuck with it. And if we go to my YouTube and we just look at, we just check this real quick and we
Good afternoon.
see um what I was mentioning about the areas that. All right, so look right here. Did
Here,
I mark it out?
um,
Pretty sure I marked it out in the other video.
help you
Oh,
guys.
there we go. Look, so I saw the edge of volume and I moved my level up. So this is the level that I had marked out since Friday, right? And obviously today it played out. As you can see right there, the same exact level at the highs. Same level played out. So this is just to show you guys it's not hard. You just have to be aligned with the auction of the market and your trades will all fall into place. So, if you guys have any questions, shoot me a DM, drop a comment, and yeah, see you guys on the next one. Pretty quick one.